Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie Marie. I do videos on business, mindset, tips and tricks, the acting industry, and reviews on anything that could help your business or just help you in general. If you haven't been here before and you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you know when I post next. This is a very interesting review that I'm about to do because I was so engrossed in their initiative and I wanted to be a part of it. So I ended up actually booking a class for myself. I'm looking to cook alongside a professional chef, which is an opportunity that I would have never had before. I hope you enjoy it. Please give this a like because it helps my channel out quite a bit. And on to the vlog. It is 5:04 on the 6th of May. Today I am going to be mum. Today I'm actually reviewing and cooking along with a chef called Ernesto, and he is part of the Yum Tum Cook initiative. So basically this initiative has allowed or given the opportunity to chefs to actually, get work during this hard time in the hospitality industry. And by work I mean they get to actually do online classes for people and the community, the general community, whoever wants to do it. They get to teach the different classes, restaurant styled food, so you get to learn new skills while you're doing it. So tonight I am making gnocchi alla sorrentina. So basically if you wanted to do something like this, it's quite easy. You go on their Instagram page or their Facebook page and all you do is you click onto their link. You look at which kind of food you want, which cuisine you want, which recipe you want to make, and then you get an email notification in your Google Calendar or any other calendar that you have, and it'll literally tell you the booking, the time, and also what ingredients you will need for your meal. Pretty much had everything because they're staples like flour. Yeah, I mean I'm Italian, so obviously we had pretty much everything to make pasta with. Each lesson is around $20 to $25, but I'll actually put down here how much this lesson actually was. So if you want to do a similar lesson in the future, and this probably will come back because it's quite popular. And then they tell you what you have to pre-prepare. So within the ingredients, it told me that I needed to crush my garlic, that my onions should be peeled and chopped, obviously, and that my potatoes should be boiling. Now, I'm not the most savvy of chefs. I tend to just create things and hope for the best. So it'll be really good to actually make something like pasta from scratch and wow all my family members. Every week they have new lessons that you can be a part of. You just have to go onto their social media, which I will be linking here and also in the description bar below if you are interested. Oh, it's all done via Zoom, so you don't even have to leave the house. I did put on a top. I didn't want to be in my pajamas for this because I'm like, I don't know who else will be in this lesson. What's so great about this, you can do one-on-one lessons or you could do a group lesson. Even if you have all your different friends and book at the same time, you can even do kind of like a cooking party kind of thing. Currently we're waiting for everyone to join. vlog. It was a really good experience. It was really fun with Ernesto and the other participants. It was really nice to, you know, interact with them and everything. And honestly, gnocchi's not that hard. So if you find cooking intimidating, I would definitely try this out, whether it be gnocchi or any other dish that they have. And I will put all the details in the description bar below. And I hope to see you at one of the classes. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more reviews that I've done, I've actually reviewed headphones. The Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones was my last review. And my next video is actually going to be what actors should be doing right now in isolation. So if you're interested in that, please again subscribe, like, do all the above, and tick that notification bell when I upload next. Okay guys, have a lovely day and bye for now.